Right, now we talked about orthographic drawing. As we all know what isometric drawing is, orthographic drawing is basically another form of engineering drawing where you present your 3D objects using multiple 2D drawings. So for example, if you have an isometric drawing of, let's say, this caliber, just a sketch where you have your height, you have your length, and you have your width or your breadth. This is an isometric drawing, right? You have all your three principal dimensions here for you to view it all at the same time. But then orthographic drawing comes in this manner. Instead of us to just view everything at the same time, how about view it separately? Which means I'm seeing only my one side of this drawing, right? One side of this drawing, here one side of this drawing, and up here one side of this drawing. So now engineers decided to classify each of these sides. They gave it a name. They gave it a front view, a side view, and a top view. That's what they began to name it in order to classify it. So a front view, a side view, a front view, a side view, and a top view. So this is how the engineers decided to name it, right? So just like this now, an orthographic drawing, instead of you giving you all these views you are seeing at the same time, is giving you each of these views separately. And now it becomes 2D because giving you separate views now limits how many dimensions you can see. Instead of seeing 3 dimensions, you are seeing 2 dimensions. Hence the definition of an orthographic drawing, which means presenting a 3D object in multiple 2D drawings, right? So that's why you now have here, which is your side view, here, your top view, your front view here, and then your top view, right? Your front view, your side view, you are seeing your length and your height. Your front view, you are seeing your breadth or your width and your height. And then in your top view, you are just seeing your length and your breadth, your length and your breadth, right? That's it. So we're going to check out drawings on an actual drawing to scale on orthographic drawing. But before that, there's something else about orthographic drawing that um, engineers use to classify it with. We have what they call first angle projection, and we have third angle projection. So let me draw another sketch to elaborate on that. So let's say you have an object. Right, let's say you have this as an object, right, and then you were asked to represent this in orthographic projection, right? This is already an isometric projection, and then they told you to do it in a first angle projection or third angle projection. It's still orthographic projection, but now it's the manner at which it's being drawn that now differentiates both of them. So first off, we'll treat first angle projection. And before we treat the projection, we need to know our sides, right? This is now your front view, right? This is now your side view, and then this is now your top view, right? So this how in drawing an orthographic drawing, you need to place it in a cardinal plane, right? Like having a north, south, east and west. So in each side will contain all your views. One will be left empty, you just draw a line. So first off, let's talk about first angle projection. So what's first angle projection? Basically, in first angle projection, it just depends on, in fact, the projection, this first and third angle projection all just depends on the placement of the views, the different type of views you make, right? The different type of 2D views, photographic views you make. So that's just it, just placement. That is it. So when they say you should draw this in first angle projection, what do? This is just the rules here. When you have a first angle projection, when you are told to draw in first angle projection, your front view, if your front view in your isometric drawing is on the left, just like this object, your front view here will be on the top right. Top right, this is bottom right, this is top right, this is bottom left, this is top left. So if your front view is on the left in your isometric drawing, you draw your front view on orthographic drawing on the top right. Now your top view will always be below your front view. So your top view, like I said, will always be below or above your front view. If your front view is below, your top view will be above. If your front view is above, your top view will be below. So that is how your top view always goes. So your top view will now be below here, and then your side view will be opposite of your front view. So if your front view is on the top right, your side view will be on the top left. If your front view is on the top left, your side view will be on the top side. If your front view is on the bottom right, your side view will be on the bottom left. If your front view is on the bottom left, your side view will be on the bottom right. That's just how it goes. So first of all, once you just place, if you place your front view, you know where others fall to. So since here from the isometric drawing, my front view is on the left side, my first angle, this is first angle projection, my first angle projection, the top view, the front view will be on the top right. So then the side view now will be on what? The top left. And then the top view will be below the front view. So basically I just interchanged it. That is first angle projection. If you have another image like this now, let's change it up. Let's just change the projection of this object now. Instead of facing the left, it faces the right. Right? Now this is the front view here, and then this is the side view here. So if you have it like this, it will now be what? Your front view will become here, right? Your side view will become here, right? And your top view will become down here. Very simple. Now this is for first angle projection. That's what it is for. First angle projection. Now let's talk about third angle projection. Now drawing this will be easy, right? You just now, it depends on your visualization. So front view here, right? When you are looking at front view from this perspective, what will you see? you won't see this place, you will see this place and this place, right? So this is how you now draw it. You now draw it something like this. You'll see this place, right? You won't see this place, it will be inside here. So then you see this place. So now look like this. Your side view, if you look at it, you just see it like this. This one is very easy, right? And then your top view, you will see only this place and this place. You won't see this place again. So it will be like this. Almost similar to what your top view will be here. So it will be very similar to your front view. Your top view will not be here. So the same thing goes here, since just the difference between here is that they interchange. This one here, top view always below the front view or above the front view, right? So now let's talk about our third angle projection. So you have an image like this, right? You have an image like this and you were told to represent it in third angle projection. Your front view, your side view, and your top view. So you were told to represent it in what? Third angle projection. You draw your cardinal plane, right? So in this one, third angle projection, your front view and side view will no longer be on the top left or top right. It will now be on the bottom left and bottom right. So front view, and in this third angle projection, there's no longer interchanging. I won't put it if it's on the right, I won't put it on the left, and if it's on the left, I won't put it on the right. I will just put it how it is on the right, right? So I'll put it on the right, but instead of putting it on the top, I'll put it on the bottom right. So here will be your front view, here will be your side view, and just like I said, your top view is always associated with your front view, either on the top or the bottom. So your top view, simple. If you want to draw another one where you change the view, where your front view is here, your side view is here, and your top view is here, what do? Very simple. Your front view will now become below, your side view here, and your top view here. These are all just blanks and blanks. There's nothing to be drawn here. This is how it's being represented. So if you want to do it by drawing, your top view, the same like the previous one, will be like this. Front view, the same like the previous one also, will be like this. And then your side view will be like this. So this is just a sketch. So now we'll go on an actual example where those drawings are being drawn to scale.